Hey guys, we got a 3-box break, 16 Legacies baseball for Cory. Good luck, my man. Let's see if we can add to his stack. Ryan Vault, 88 out of 135. California Angel. Next card is a rookie. Piscotti Arrivals out of 70. Those were case hits. There's only one imminent arrival per case, if I remember correctly. 29 out of 70. Next up is Johnny Smoltz out of 99. Green, 31 out of 99. And you got a red Aaron Nola out of 199. Just a base. Exhilaration. Too bad. Smoltz out of 99. Nola out of 199 to start. And box 2. Let's do it. Another green, bro. Just cannot get away from the greens. Catfish Hunter is the Vault original. Base numbered 45 out of 135. Catfish Hunter. We have a Ichiro, 27 out of 99. Lasting Imprints. Marlin jersey? It is a Marlins jersey. Thought he was a Seattle guy on this card. 27 out of 99. We have another John Smoltz. You had the Loyalty auto out of 99. Now you have the Tradition auto out of 199. 19 out of 199. Your Loyalty was 31 out of 99. And damn, that's a nice auto on the bottom, bro. Oh, she's so pretty. Lasting Imprints, Nolan Ryan. 8 out of 25. That's great. Get some sleeve for that. Damn, dude. Nice. Okay, your last box. Legacies squirrely do here. Okay, Lou Brock, you got a purple Vault. 15 out of 50 on the Lou. Nice Cardinals card right there. Stuff is actually a really solid product now that it's not $220 a box. And Lou Brock, 34 out of 50. Back-to-back Lou Brocks out of 50. If you're a Cardinals fan, Charles Steven might want to grab those off you cheap if you're selling. First auto is Mark Pryor. Loyalty auto. I think this was his first auto he had signed in a long time. He might have signed for Tier 1 if I remember. 86 out of 199. And you might know the scrub underneath. Maybe. KB, and that is 1 out of 99. Congrats, Cory. Excellent fortitude sticking with the Legacies tonight. And then switching out for something to chase the breaking rainbow. That was obviously the right call. Nolan Ryan auto out of 25 and a Bryant 1 out of 99. See, you break this at $220, $240 a box and you're like, oh my god, shoot me now. Break it at $150, $140 a box, it's much better. Tasty. Green Bryant! Oh my god, I just noticed another green. Unbelievable. Honestly unbelievable. 1 out of 99, KB. Really, JT? I figured one of the rookie Ps somewhere along the way. If I had to bet, I would have bet that I'd pulled you one. That just means you're due, dude. That's all that means. Alright, Zach is up next. Let me save this.